How do you know you can trust Fuse? Easiest question ever. Apart from thousands of 5-star reviews from our customers, we get the recognition from the most prominent brands of equipment. As you can see, many large manufacturers of HVAC, electrical, and plumbing equipment think we are so cool that they granted us the status of their official dealers. But what does that mean for you? It means tons and tons of benefits. First of all, we get the equipment directly from them, so you can be sure of its quality. Also, with such a flawless purchase process, we can keep prices as low as they are. And finally, we are the first to learn about exclusive deals and can share them with you right away. Moreover, many manufacturers like Mitsubishi and Savant provide professional training for our technicians. You can have no doubts that our specialists know what they are doing from A to Z. Another amazing thing you can get from a recognized contractor is fantastic warranty opportunities. Did you know that we provide up to a 12-year labor warranty for HVAC installations we perform? That's only possible because we are the official dealers of these brands. Finally, if something happens to your unit, you have peace of mind knowing that you will get priority support from the official dealer. This way, you won't have to endure malfunctioning equipment for long. We will be there to fix everything in no time. Now you know that when choosing your next home improvement, it's better to look for an official dealer of the brand you want. We are here for you and your upgrades.